it's Kim with Vintage Vikings. Here's a little update on the faux rice paper napkins that we did on my last video. I thought I would add a part 2. This is what they look like when they ended up drying. And this was the butterfly napkin that we used, that we really pushed up the corners. And I just wanted to show everybody how they actually turned out. Let's get it off the plastic here. Seemed to come off pretty easily. Oh, that one turned out really nicely. Didn't have a chance to let them dry on our last video, so I thought I would do just a quick little update. And the other one we did was, we did this one that had the border because we wanted to see what it was going to look like when we had just the plain rice paper behind it. This is the one that I had showed in the video that we were trying to recreate. And so let's see how this one turned out. These dried for about 24 hours. Boy, they came off really easy. And look at that. Looks like we got a little bit of white there, but otherwise this is going to be adorable. Can maybe fold it in half. Make a cute little notebook cover out of it. Sew around the edges with a piece of pretty scrapbook paper or some music sheet. That would be pretty. Turned out great. And right after I filmed the video, I actually did a couple more just to play around because it is a quick and easy and fun craft to do. And this one I did out of a napkin that's one of the guest towel type napkins. Boy, that one turned out really nice as well. So if you want to learn how to do this, I did a quick tutorial as part of my Nailed It or Failed It project series. And here's the last one I did. This was a napkin, not quite sure how I'm going to use it. But when it's folded up, it looks like a little present. But then when you open it, this one looks like it got a little bit of white. Maybe I'll go back over it again with some more. Let's see if I can clean that up just a little. It's not as transparent as I had hoped. But it's got a bow, and then the crisscross of the bottom of the package, and then another bow, and then this looks like where the gift tag goes. So there you go. So if you're wondering how to do it and you want to see how it's done, or you want to see how I did, whether I nailed it or failed it on this project, you can head on over to my last video and I'll have it linked below. But here's all of our faux rice paper that we worked on. Fun, easy craft. I think it would be great for kids as well. And here's the last one that I did. So thanks everybody for stopping by. Just a quick little video to show you how the ones we made on camera actually turned out. Bye!